Okay, hello guys. Good evening. Happy Friday. Hello everyone. Hi Kaylin, how are you? Uh, have you guys received your November notes? Hi Keisha. Have you guys received your November notes? It's a thick ass notes, isn't it? Isn't it? 1v1 your what does it mean? What game? In what game? It's not fist fight, right? Okay. Yes, hello everyone. Hi, how are you? Wow, you have to play so many games. Okay, so guys, let me explain your notes. Why is it so many? Why is it so thick this month? So you know what? Chapter 9, I'm gonna just put a pause there because okay, we're almost done lah. So okay. Hi Junior, hello. So hello Jingy. Okay, so what are we going to do? Oh yeah, by the way, let me explain the notes first. Okay, in your notes, right, your chapter wait let me check your November notes, right, there's a copy of this, the model paper one, right. So this one right, go and do it yourself. Okay, go and do it yourself. Hang on, guys, I have to wait everyone to get in first. I don't want to I don't want to say it twice. Okay, yes, Lingjia, hello. So for your November notes, right? Okay, let me explain. This all chapter one. Okay, this is your one of the. Okay, excuse me. This is your model paper. Go home and do this yourself. Okay, go home and do this yourself. Right. If you tell me, sir, I have no time. I know you all sure don't have time one. When it comes to doing exercise, sure no time one. But when it comes to playing, right? Oh, you have all the time in the world. I know. Okay, so if you have no time, right, what do you do? Okay, I forgive you if you have no time, but you know, like at least do objective lah, right? It's okay. Oh yeah, Tisha, I haven't sent it to you, right? Oh shit, I forgot to send video to you. Oh shit. I'll send later. I'll send you later. Okay, it's chapter 9, the last part. Hi Isaac. If you don't have, then you look at my screen lah. What? Tisha, that's gay. Okay. Anyway, so you know what? When you look at this exercise, right? Okay, I want you to do at least one thing. If you cannot do this, right? If you have no time to do this, right? Okay, let me tell you what to do. Read the questions. Okay, read the questions and read the answer straight. I will put this answer into Google Classroom so you can read the question straight and you read the answer. Guys, this is the best way to revise. Okay, a word of advice. If you want to revise quickly, the best way is by reading question. Okay, because this is how I revise for my SPM. I bought all the past years. I did not do even one of it because I have no time. I just read the question, I read the answer. That's how I do it. Okay, so and then there's another copy. There's another copy of this, which is the short notes. This one you can kind of read lah, but it's the summary of everything. This includes chapter 1 to 8, everything here. So this is for your reference. I mean, unless you are not really familiar with the chapter, you can read this once or twice first. Still focus on your exercise because exercise is how you score. You can read this all you want. You cannot score one. Experience, okay? But this is to tell you, I have students, they read this back and forth many times, they still flunk the exam. Okay, because just because you read this doesn't mean you know how to answer question. Right? Yes, no, not November, I know. Right, so read this yourself lah. Read this yourself. If you have the guts, bring this into exam. I'm just saying lah. Okay, next. Okay, moving on. Today, let's go to the third one. The third note, which is this thing. Okay, I want to talk about chapter 1 today. Right, so for each week, right, in November, we will do one chapter every week. Okay, to help you revise for one chapter every week. Yes, we're starting revision already. We are starting revision already. So this is your chapter 1. Hang on, let me check. This is your chapter 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 6, 7, 8. I will try to cover as many as I can. Okay, I'll try to cover as many as I can. Because you see, our time is very limited. So I will try to, I'll try to cover as much as I can. Okay, as many chapters as I can. Right, so let's go to chapter 1 today, shall we? Let's go to chapter 1. Okay. Sure. No problem. Right, so number 1, by the way, this is deforestation. Okay, someone cutting trees here. Why? What's up? Why do you hate them so much? How about chapter 10 to 13? Good question, Ashini. Chapter 10 to 13, right? Don't focus because 10 is sound. 11, 12, 13, that is your space chapter. Not really important. Okay, not really important. So I'll go to that when we have the time. So no worries about that. Okay, so anyway, let's continue with let's start with our chapter 1, shall we? Okay, I'll try to cover as much as I can. So by the way, this is called deforestation. In BM, it's called penyahutanan. Okay, penyahutanan. So if you were one of the villagers, discuss the bad effect of the activity. Wow, so many you can say here. Guys, what will cutting trees do? Any answer? Guys, this is what we call an open-ended question. You can say whatever you want. Okay, you can answer whatever you want. Reduce oxygen. Yeah, you can say that. Okay, reduce oxygen. Or you can say disrupt oxygen cycle. Okay. What do you say disrupt? Menjejaskan gitaran oxygen can. Global warming can. Pemanasan global, except what else? Write this yourself. I'm not gonna write. I'm just lazy. You can say destroy habitat. Okay, memusnahkan habitat. Okay, yes. Banjir kilat, yes. What else? Oh, destroy habitat, right? So you have the next point of destroy habitat. You have extinction. Yes, kepupusan. Extinction of what? Extinction of what? That two words you love using in geography, man. Kepupusan what? Kepupusan what? Flora dan fauna. I got so sick of that word. Okay. Yes, Kajun, good. Kesan rumah hijau can. Any open-ended answer, any answer that makes sense, I will accept. Okay. So, anything else you want to add on? Okay, that's all. That's all. I've told you all the answers you need. Okay, so next, moving on. Let's go to number 3. So the activity shown has positive effect. Right. I mean, to be fair, cutting trees has some positive effect. So what are they? What are they? What are the what are the positive effects of cutting trees? Anyone? Anyone? Can grow more trees? No, 时间 that's not accepted. Government get money. Okay, don't phrase it like that. You can say improve economy of the country. Okay, improve economy. Menambah baik ekonomi negara. This one can. What else? You can say for development. Okay, untuk pembangunan. Because without cutting trees, how can we build more houses, right? Okay. Okay, get diabetes. What are you eating? Why do you get diabetes? Make the hutan more no, not accepted. Hey, come on, give more make sense answer can Okay, what else? What else? Okay, I can think of is development and economy. That's all. Or you can say obtain timber. Timber is kayu lah. Obtain timber for industrial usage to make furniture, to make houses. Okay, mendapat kayu. Okay, untuk pembinaan, untuk membuat perabot. Okay, then go exercise. Shijian, you won't get diabetes, Shijian. You just need to gain more weight. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Any question you wanna ask? Any question you wanna ask? So these are very long answers. So I'm just lazy to write. Okay, because you can write this yourself, guys. This is like karangan. You know your karangan. You wrote about alam sekitar, isn't it? So same thing. Wow, you eat junk the whole day, Shijian. Are you having proper meal? Please do. Okay, so next, Malaysia is one of the 12 mega biodiversity country. Blah, blah, blah. Read this yourself. Okay, so from your point of view, why should we preserve and conserve flora and fauna? Why save flora and fauna? Anyone? Anyone? Okay. Wow, 37. That's a crazy rate. Okay, any make human huh? Okay, you can say to stable ecosystem, yes, okay, okay, can. Okay, untuk menstabilkan ecosystem can. To provide oxygen can. You can say it's a source of food, punca makanan. For tourism, okay, untuk pelancongan, you know, some people they do come to our country for our forest. No shit, okay, not even joking. Give oxygen, can a cycle, yes, can for your carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, water cycle, okay, for the balance of cycles, can. Untuk keseimbangan kita carbon, kita oxygen, kita nitrogen, kita air. Okay, for herbs, yes, for medicine, perubatan, because we have many herbs in the forest. Okay, we have tongkat ali, we have many herbs inside. Okay, so 4 marks here, so many to write. For education, okay, untuk pendidikan, it's everything here, what? There, importance about diversity lah, there. Source of food, balanced nature, recreation, that means for pelancongan lah. In medical, raw material, education. Pick 4. Okay, choose 4. Yeah, education, what's up? Right, so any question? No question, No question, If no question, I'll move on, Right, so next, let's look at number 2. Okay, guys, this chapter is really easy. Okay, this chapter is really easy because we talk about the 5 types of organisms. Okay, no, Shija, you don't need to lose faith. For the love of God, why? Okay, so moist skin and lay eggs. Like this revision method. Why? Let's straight away do question, right? Straight away do question, right? I don't like to say teach notes one because we already been through it one. You mean no need me to write, huh? Okay, so come on. Moist skin, lay eggs. What are they? Who has moist skin? Who lay eggs? Reptiles or amphibian? That's why very efficient. Okay, reptiles or amphibians? Yes, amphibian. Okay, amphibian, because reptiles they don't have moist skin, they have dry scales. Okay, sisik kering, bersisik kering. So amphibians are like frogs, they have very moist skin, that's why they look disgusting. Guys, frogs they look disgusting, don't they? Okay, they're just wet and slimy. Okay, so next, number 2, warm-blooded internal fertilization. Why frogs are disgusting? I mean, you kiss a frog and see. Okay, so warm-blooded internal fertilization. This is your guys. Do you remember what is internal fertilization? That means sperm and ovum they meet in the body. Okay, so this is your bird. Okay, bird fish is cold-blooded Okay, fish is external fertilization That means the sperm and ovum will fuse outside the body. No, okay, okay. Eggs lah, whatever lah, same thing lah. Okay, next B. Guys, do you still remember how to classify plants? There's flowering, berbunga, and then there's non-flowering, remember? And then flowering, right, there's 2. What are they? What are they? You have the, what? I want flowering, So these 2, they are flowering. How do you classify them? Yes, you have your dicot and your monocot. Good, wow. India, very good. You studied. Okay. So, wow, she said you remember. Damn. Okay. So, monocot, they are the lower end. They have fibrous root. They have non-woody stem. They have parallel vein. Remember? And then for dicot is the higher end one. They have woody stem, they have taproot, they have network vein, like your durian tree. Okay, this is like your jagung. Jagung is the lower end one. Okay, by the way, guys, what is cotyledon? What is cotyledon? Cotyledon is this bag that they store their food. You know red bean? You know red bean? How do you make red bean paste? You cook the cotyledon until the thing breaks, so all the starch will come out. Okay, so good. So what is this? Monocot. What is the characteristic of monocot? They have non-woody stem, as I said just now. Okay, tak berkayu. And then your dicot, they have network vein. Like this. Okay, do not produce flower. Guys, non-flowering has 3 types. Yeah, last year, really? Okay, non-flowering has 3 types. Do you remember? You have your fern, yes. Okay, pakis. Then you have your moss, lumut. Okay, and then you have your, songsu, your conifer. Okay, conifer. So these 3, they don't produce flower. Okay, grass got flower one lah. Grass is flowering. Guys, grass is flowering. Even paddy is flowering. You all know this, right? Grass is flowering. Sometimes you see in the middle of the field, there's a grass, there's a flower there, the white flower there. So the grass is flowering lah. Okay, don't put the grass lah. Why you want to murder the grass? Okay, number 3. So circle 2 classes of vertebrates that carry out external. So who will do external? Yes, fish. They will come into the water. So water is full of fish come. Okay. Okay, so amphibian, reptiles, they do internal. Okay, you see, I have students asking me, sir, how can reptiles do amphibian? How can reptiles do internal? Crocodiles, they can have sex one, man? Yes, they do. Okay, crocodiles, they can have sex too. Why? Crocodile cannot have sex now, is it? Reptiles, they have sex, not do amphibian. Slip of the tongue lah, walao. Okay, you understand lah? You understand lah? Hey, you know that day my wife woke me up. You know what she showed me? She was like, hey, come here, come here, come here. I was like, whoa. Okay, she woke me up, and then, hey, you see, flies having sex. Lalat, they just stick together, they're having sex. I was like, walao, I thought what? She woke me up so that I can watch flies having sex. Okay, the more you know, the more you know. Okay, so I can proudly tell people that I've seen flies having sex. Oh, you said birds before. Yeah, birds very fast one. Birds, they will just go there a few seconds, then they will go off. That's their sex. Okay, worst sex life ever. Okay, sex video of panda. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. Anyway, guys, so mark 2 vertebrates classified into the same group as cat. So who's the same as cat? Okay, cat is what class? Cat is what class? Cats are mammals, right? Mammals, right? So who are the mammals here? Okay, you have your orca, or the killer whale, and you have your dolphin. Okay, 4 is not guys, penguin is a bird. Okay, penguin is a bird. Right. I mean, they're cute lah, they're useless lah. Okay, so this is your penguin. Penguin is a bird, it's a bird. Okay, it can't fly. I mean, ostrich also can't fly. At least they look cute lah. Ostrich, they look freaking ugly lah. Ostrich is freaking ugly. Same goes to the emu. Emu, you know emu? Have I told you emu before last year? I think I told you that, right? the emu war thing. It's just freaking ugly. Guys, if you have not seen emus, you're missing out. Okay, they're just the worst looking bird. Okay, they look freaking ugly. They're worse. You see, look at this ugly fucker. It's so ugly. It's so ugly, my god. Okay, hey, they're pests. They will eat your plants. They will come into your farm. They'll eat your plants, and they're hard as shit to chase because they're very fast. Okay. Sounds like a, what do you mean? Sounds like a machine gun, Isaac. Okay, right, very scary. Hey, they fought I think I told you guys this, right? Have I told you guys about the Emu War? Have I told you guys about the Emu War? The Australians, they went to war with this bird. I shit you not. Okay, it's called the Emu War. Okay, the Australians, they went to a war with this bird, and guess what? You guess what? The bird won. The bird won. Okay, you know why? Because they couldn't chase them. Even guns cannot shoot them. So they just kind of surrender. Okay, because why they try to kill this emu? Because these emus are pests. They try to eat all the farmers' rice and everything, so they have nothing else to eat. So they try to go to war to this. You see, they have the first attempt, then the second attempt. Okay, so aftermath, so they lost the war. Imagine imagine losing a war against a stupid looking bird. Okay, I shit you not. Go Google emu war. This shit is real. They try to shoot the bird using machine guns and they fail. Because the bird starts scattering, they don't know where to shoot. Okay, I shit you not. Okay, number 4. So some characteristic to classify living things and non-living things. Okay, so what are living things like? They respond to stimuli. You know what stimuli, right? Rangsangan. When I tickle you, you respond. Stimuli lah. Okay, do not communicate. Okay, no, they don't. Do not defecate. Guys, you shit, right? I hope you shit. Okay, I hope you shit. I hope you shit nicely today. So excrete waste product, yes, they do. Okay, yes, we do. You excrete, right? You excrete, right? I'm sure you do. Right. Next, B. What is this funny looking thing? By the way, this is actually your non-woody stem. Okay, and this is your woody stem. Okay, so this is non-woody lah. This is a monocot plant. So of course it has fibrous root. Okay, because monocot has fibrous what, right? Hey guys, not necessarily everything will follow what like you see sunflower is dicot. Sunflower is dicot. Sunflower is network vein. They have taproot, but they have non-woody stem. Okay, you see, sunflower is not everything just belongs to one class. It's like platypus. Platypus is a mammal, right? Platypus is a mammal, right? And they lay eggs. You see, so it's a bit it's a bit weird. Okay, you know platypus, they lay eggs, right? They do. So they are the only mammal that lay eggs. Okay, so this is a woody stem. Okay, your woody stem. Why she did? Why you want to end class? You don't like my class, is it? Huh? You don't like my class, is it? Okay, no Keluar Tinja, for your school, I don't dare say. Because your Catholic very weird one. Okay, platypus, right, guys? Yeah, tell you this lah, platypus. I mean, they're ugly also lah. Are there platypus? I mean, okay lah, baby platypus is pretty cute lah, but this. Okay, platypus. Okay. Perry the platypus, okay. Okay, so they lay eggs, and then there's Perry the platypus. Okay lah, you get the point lah. That's the cartoon lah. Okay, anyway, number 5. Guys, please change this a little. There's a mistake here. Please change this to vertebrates. And please change this to invertebrates. So, which is the invertebrate? Which is the vertebrate? These two, they are the vertebrates, right? So your X and Z, they are your vertebrates. Then the other two, W and Y, that's your invertebrate. Hiya, so easy lah. We skip. This stone one, is actually not in your syllabus. It's a bit out of syllabus already. Okay, next, number 6. Circle the non-flowering plant. So who's the non-flowering here, guys? Explain the 2 words. Which 2 words? Which 2 words? Oh, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrata 有脊椎 and invertebrate. Which one? Oh, these 2 This is our syllabus. This is our syllabus. Exoskeleton is outer shell. Exoskeleton is outer shell. Because exo means outside. Okay, exoskeleton. Okay, moving on. So, which is the non-flowering plant? Yes, that's the meaning of exo actually. Okay, so what's the non-flowering plant? Which is the non-flowering? That will be your fern. Guys, grass is flowering. Paddy is flowering. Yes, your rice has flower. Okay, the more you know. So yes, your rice has flower. Okay, next. Yeah, what's up? Why suddenly bunny? Okay, next. Repeated question. So this is your monocot. This is your dicot. Okay, monocot and dicot. So how many cotyledon? How many cotyledons for P? You see mono, right? Mono is how many? Mono is how many? Mono is 1 听见? 1 So di is 2 di 嘛? Yes. Okay. Next, what about a root? This is the lower class level one. So what's the root like? They are yes, fibrous. Okay, fibrous. So this is Akar serabut. So what about the leaf? What about the leaf? The leaf is parallel salary. Okay. Parallel. Okay, so next is yes, taproot. This is your akar tunjang, and then this is your network vein. Akar jejala. You know what akar? Shit, what is it again? Urat jejala. Sorry, too tired. Okay, guys, hang on. There's a freaking hair on my screen. Okay, so next, network vein. Okay, so number 7. So now invertebrates. Okay, those without backbone, you have 2 types. You have with legs and without legs. Wow, damn, guys, we learned this last year, remember? I think last year, like December or this year, January, right? Wow, damn, it's been a year, Oh my God, 2022, just flew by. Guys, I haven't done really anything. Okay, so with legs and without legs, so how do you classify these two? Okay, how do you classify these two? Yeah, it's almost over. Shit, we're preparing for Christmas already. Okay, and right after Christmas, the 26th of December, then you will hear Chinese New Year song already. They spend no time. Mariah Carey is defrosting. Yes. Okay, and then 25th is Christmas, and then 26th you start to hear Tong Tong Chang already. Immediately Mandarin Orange every freaking where. Okay, so what is P and Q, guys? What is P and Q? So you have legs have 2 types. How do you separate this? How? Anyone? Yes, you have your I got 2 legs. Not 2 legs lah. Okay, you have 3 pairs of legs. Okay, 3 pasang kaki. This is more than 3 pair. Okay, so prawn is more than 3. What about this? What about without legs? More than 6 lah. I want to say that also can lah. So without legs, how do you separate this? This is how to separate. Anyone? Nope, not shell. This is called non-segmented body. Badan tak bersegment and segmented body. Guys, do you remember what is this? Yes, Isaac. Wow, you really know that, Okay, so that your segmented body means they're like one flat thing. Segmented means they have like segments. Okay. Yeah, I fucking hate this. Get this cockroach out of my screen, please. Okay. So sea anemone. Guys, do you know what is sea anemone? This is the prettiest thing, like the flower in Oh, hey, plenty of sea anemone. Hey, this thing, so cute. So cute. Oh, yeah, remember this? And the hermit crab. Okay, guys, what relationship is this? Anyone remember? Yes, symbiosis. What symbiosis? There's commensalism. There's parasitism. And then there's what is this? So what is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, this is mutualism. Okay, why mutualism? Because the sea anemone will protect the hermit crab, and the hermit crab will bring this fella around. So it's like a you help me, I help you thing. Okay. So is it so cute? Yes, exactly. So cute. And they look really pretty too. Whoa, look at this. Okay. If you say, sir, I haven't seen this before, go Aquaria lah. Just go Aquaria, they have this thing. Hi, Shijen, we were just talking about sea anemone. Okay, so you have your, with legs, 3 pair, more than 3 pair, without legs, non-segmented and segmented body. So, what is an invertebrate? Okay, write this yourself. Animals without backbones. Okay, haiwan yang tanpa tulang belakang. Yes. Okay, next. Give an example of P. What belongs to P among these 4? Yes, that's your cockroach. Okay, freaking you. Okay, what about Q? What about Q? Yes, spider. Wow, Shijian, you're so awake today. Must be the candies, huh? Are you having a sugar rush right now? Okay, so moving on. What about grasshopper? Among P, Q, R, S, what group does a grasshopper belong in? Yeah, I freaking guys, can we finish this real quick? I want to get rid of this. I cannot stand this thing on my screen. Oh, ESP. Okay, ESP. Suggest another way to classify invertebrates into 2 big groups. Okay, so you see, we split them into with legs and without legs, right? Okay, is there any else method we can classify them besides the legs, wings? Not really though. Okay, segmented body. I would say yes and no. Okay, anything else? Anything else? How else can we classify this? Pretty and scary. What the hell? Okay, so we classify them as exoskeleton and non-exoskeleton. Okay, that means they have hard shell and no hard shell. Exoskeleton means hard shell. Lay eggs, they all lay eggs, what? They all lay eggs, one. Okay, so exoskeleton means hard shell. Like insects are exoskeleton. Okay, prawns, crabs, they're exoskeleton. Non-exoskeleton is like your earthworm, leech, jellyfish, hipworm, planaria, things like that. Okay. Okay. I freaking hate insects, lah. I really do. Okay. I mean, sure, they are beneficial for environment and all, but freaking ill. Freaking hate insects. Right. Next, E. So this is a crocodile and a goat. 3 similarities. Opinion on the shoebill bird. What's the shoebill bird? Isaac. Shoebill bird. What's that? Ugh, what abomination is this? What the hell is this? Oh my god. What does it look like this? Ew. Ew. Okay. I wish I could unsee this. I didn't know that a bird can get this ugly. Okay. I mean, I'm not trying to humiliate the bird, but it looks really ugly. Okay. Thanks for that. Right. Okay, so 3 similarities, guys. 3 similarities. Do not give me 4 legs, not accepted. Do not give me have eyes. I just give me this kind of shit answer. Not accepted. Mammals, no. Not accepted. Okay, what's next? They live on Earth. Okay, no, non-exoskeleton, no, not accepted. Guys, come on, give me something relevant lah. They drink water, no. What else? What else? They make noise. Why don't you say that? Okay, they're both noisy. Okay, horn. Hey, hello. Proper answer, please. They have sex. Of course they do. Right. Give me something else lah. They both do internal fertilization lah. Adoy, I want answers like this. Walao, you guys can serious a bit ah. Okay, this is called persenyawaan dalam. They have vertebrates, yes. I accept. They are both vertebrates, okay. Mempunyai tulang belakang. What else? No, two best of play not accepted. What else? They breathe using lungs. Yes. Adoy. Thanks, Jen, but no. Nose. Nose your head lah, nose. Of course, they got nose lah. This got a snoot also. Look at my long snoot. No, not accepted. Okay, guys, please answer like this. Do not give me those stupid answers. Okay, have eyes, they're not accepted. You have eyes too. Okay, they both live in Malaysia. I can say that too. Okay, because Malaysia got crocodile and goat what? Okay, next. Moving on. So, same group as crocodile. Who's the same group as crocodile? Who? Same group as crocodile. Yes, turtle. Thank you. Okay, eel is a fish. Whale is a mammal. Okay, next. Goat. Who's the same as a goat? Yes, bat. Because both are mammals. Okay, goat is a mammal. Bats are mammals too. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, fun fact. Bats they are the mammal with the longest lifespan. Bats are the longest living mammal. All right. So this is why last time Chinese, right, they used to draw bats on their door or on their plates. Okay, because it's a sign of good fortune. That means you live a long life. Not humans, not humans. Bats, they can live they can live a very long life. Okay. So don't eat them. Right? Okay, moving on. Moving on. So circle two classes of vertebrates that carry out external. So who will do external? Yeah, COVID, exactly. So who does external? Hey, why are the questions all repetitive ones? Okay, so let's that will be all. Fish. What else? We did this, right? We just did this, right? Yes, amphibian. Not guys, reptiles are internal. Crocodiles, they have sex and they come inside. Oh shit, that sounds wrong. That means the guy, the male crocodile will shoot the sperm inside a female. Okay, not outside. They don't fertilize outside. Okay, okay, So next, same group with a crocodile. Walao, why is it the same question all over again? So which is the same as crocodile? That would be your, what is this thing called? What is this thing called again? Is it a lizard? Is it a lizard? Okay, I think it's a lizard. Iguana. Oh, iguana. Okay, okay. All right, thank you. Isn't iguana though? I thought iguana has the curly tail one. Okay, so and of course your turtle lah. Okay, guys, what is this? This is a salamander. This thing is an amphibian. Okay, that's a salamander. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm a bit sick of this chapter already. Shall we move on to the next chapter? Shall we move on to the next chapter? Okay, let's jump to ecosystem. Let's jump to ecosystem. I mean, we have like 20 minutes lah. This chapter is like too repetitive. Okay, let's go to okay, let's form a food chain. Let's form a food chain. Okay, this is really easy. This is the food chain lah. Okay, without the mushroom one, without the fungus one, and without the sun one. No, gecko is 壁虎 ma. Gecko is the thing in your house. Okay, so number 2, based on diagram above. So, sorry, there's another hair. Get out of here, hair. Okay, so based on diagram above, state one organism that are classified as the decomposer. Yeah lah, 壁虎啦. 壁虎啦. Okay, so which is the decomposer here? Yes, that's your fungus. Okay, your pulat. Main source of energy? Yes, the sun. Thank you. Matahari. So everything comes from here. So if the sun dies, everything will die. Everything will die. Matahati. What's matahati? Okay, next. What is this interaction? What is this? What is this? Yes, your prey predator. I'm just gonna write PP here lah. Oh, haha, PP. Okay. Small PP, big PP. I giggle every time I say PP. Okay. Sorry, I'm just that childish. Okay, so number 2. State the roles of 2 organisms shown above in the interaction. So what are the roles? What are the roles? What's the eagle doing? The eagle is the prey. Hey, sorry, predator. Prey pula. This is the pemangsa. Oh yeah, by the way, in BM it's called mangsa pemangsa. Mangsa pemangsa. Okay. Tertiary hunter. No need lah, just say predator. What about the rat? What about the rat? Rat is the prey. This is the mangsa. Yes, no PP. Small PP. Every time I say PP, I say nuts. My class will go crazy. Okay, next. Moving on. Right, so you see your prey and predator. So as predator, they... Why is this graph a bit wrong one? Okay, by the way, you see, population they change. Okay, population they change. Sometimes you have more prey, more predator. Sometimes they will decrease. Why they increase and decrease that? Because there's a lot of factors. Okay, maybe there's a new disease, so more people die, so the population will drop. And then when there's more food, the population will increase again. Right? Guys, I think the darker line should be the prey. I think there's a mistake here. Because usually the prey will increase first. When you start to have more mouse first, more mice first, only your eagle will start to become more. Right? So predator, they actually lag behind because they have to depend on the food one. Okay, so you cannot, this chart is wrong because see, I cannot be the eagle increase, then mouse increase. It makes no sense. Okay, so explain why the X and Y go up and down as shown. So why do they go up and down? There's so many reasons. You can say it's due to X and Y goes up and down. So you can say it can be due to weather, okay, structure or eclipse. It can be due to so many things, okay, diseases, penyakit, and things like that. Okay, so what do they? This is what we call dynamic equilibrium. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna talk about this because this is like Form 5 Form 5 biology already when you study ecology. Okay, so I'm not gonna go too deep into this. So oh right. Okay, what is a community? Guys, do you remember what is a community? Where do we start from? There's 4 layers. Remember? Where do we start from? Okay. No lah, no. Before. Before. What grass, Jen? Where do we start from? Yes, we start from species. Okay. Like you are a species. A group of species is called population. Yes, okay. And a few groups of population is called community. And then community plus non-living thing like air, water, sunlight, stone, you get 等一下不要乱啊。So you get You get ecosystem, Yes, thank you. Right. So what is a community? What is a community? Okay, it's the mixture of different populations. Okay, it's a mixture or a joining of uh, a few populations. Okay, campuran beberapa populasi. That's why we call it the human population. We don't say the human community because human is a species, right? Okay, so construct a food web, guys. I'll leave this to you. I will leave this to you. I'm just to draw it here. Okay, grass will be eaten by caterpillar and grasshopper. Okay, and then these are eaten by the chicken, eaten by the snake, or the frog. Okay, this will be eaten by the this also. Do frogs eat grasshopper? Do they? Okay, I was assuming they do lah. Wow, that's a very big size grasshopper they have to eat. Wow, this Mr. Frog here will be very stuffed. Okay, very full. Okay, that's a very big grasshopper you have to swallow. Okay, anyway, I'll draw this yourself lah. I'm just lazy. Okay, pyramid of numbers. Okay, pyramid of numbers, they always go from the most to the least. Okay, you have grass at the bottom, you have a grasshopper, and then you have a frog, and then you have snake. So you should have the least predator at the top because if not, this pyramid will be upside down. Then the number wouldn't be balanced. So your ecosystem will be off balance. Okay, so it doesn't happen. So next, C. Okay, C. Mr. Steve's oil palm plantation is attacked by a type of pest known as the rhinoceros beetle. Okay, so the owner of the oil palm plantation tried hard to overcome the problem by supplying fungus Metarhizium anisopliae. What the hell is it? Okay, fine, whatever. It's a fungus. Okay, so when I start to you see when the oil palm is here, so now I have a lot of rhino beetles, which is a bad thing. So when I start putting this fungus, this thing starts to die. What is this relationship, guys? Okay, what is this relationship? Based on the diagram above, state the change in the population of oil palm and rhinoceros beetle. Okay, oil palm and rhinoceros beetle. So you can say as oil palm increase, rhinoceros beetle increase. When you have more this, you have more this because they eat this one, right? So you have more oil palm, more food, there will be more beetles. Okay, PP, we got PP. Okay, so explain how the method used has given positive result to the owner and the environment. Okay, what is this method called, guys, by the way? I can use a pesticide and kill this thing, right? But he did not. He, in fact, used a natural method. What is this thing called? What is this method called, guys? I use natural way. Let's say I have mice in my garden, whatever. I use owl to catch them. What is it called? Yes, Jingy, thank you. Wow, you remember biological control. Hi, Jingy. Very seldomly you will type. Nice of you to join us. Okay, so biological control. So, how is it beneficial for the owner? How is it beneficial for the owner? Biological control is usually cheaper. Okay, because this is just a bunch of, fungus. So it's cheaper. So what about for the environment? Okay, it is environmental friendly. Okay, I mean, you write this yourself, environmental friendly, mesra alam. Okay, mesra alam sekitar. So it's environmental friendly. Yes, eco-friendly, yes, sure. Okay, so if they ask you, guys, they didn't ask here lah. If they ask you, what is this relationship between this fungus and this rhino beetle? What relationship is this? What relationship? No, it's not PP. It's not PP. What relationship is this? Okay, because prey predator is when I use a big animal to eat this beetle, but I don't. I just use a fungus to kill them. No, it's not decomposition. Guys, this fungus, right? It is a parasite. So what relationship is this? Yes, this is your parasitism. So guys, biological control, I have two choices. I can either use parasitism or I can use prey predator. Okay, because this fungus is a parasite one. Okay, it's a parasite one, so it will eat this thing, so your beetle will die lah. Okay, 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 so prey predator. This is just like your shit, I forgot what's the thing again, the very disgusting thing. They also use the same method to control. I think they use wasp. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, wasp and caterpillar, I think. Wasp, larva, and caterpillar. Oh my god, this is so freaking disgusting. Okay, so if you have caterpillar in your farm, right, guys? I can't be the only one that sees this. This is so freaking disgusting. Okay, let's say now you have caterpillar in your farm, right? They start eating your things, right? So what do you do? So what do? You start putting wasp in your farm. So the wasp will start laying eggs on the caterpillar. When the eggs they hatch, they will start eating the caterpillar alive. Oh my god, this is so freaking disgusting. Okay, the first time I saw this, I almost puked. Okay, you see the black color worm. Okay, that's I don't dare to zoom this in. It's so disgusting. That thing is the caterpillar. Can you see the white color stuff? Those are the larvae. Those are the eggs. Oh fuck. Okay, I feel this is so disgusting. Okay, the more you know, you see, nature is freaking brutal. Right. So next time you have caterpillar in your farm, you know what to do. Put some wasp there, and the plants will be fine. Right, guys, are you still with me? Are you still with me? Are you still with me? Shijian, are you still there? Hello. Oi, oi. Don't fall asleep, guys. Yes, Kajun, thank you. Okay, so yes, Isaac, thank you. Right, so your what is this? By the way, okay, that's grass here. That's the rabbit, and then there's the what's a mongoose? Okay, what's that? What's that? What's that, Tingja? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is the percentage of the mongoose. Okay, so Josh has an island which is located far from the mainland. A lot of rabbits and mongoose on this island. Okay, George and his friend come to the island and shot down every single mongoose. So they shoot everything. Wow, that's a stupid thing to do. Okay, so what's a mongoose? A mongoose is this thing. Okay, I mean, they eat rabbits lah. Okay, they eat rabbits. Okay, so you see, when I start shooting all the mongoose, rabbit will start increasing, and guess what happens? The rabbits will eat all the grass. That's a stupid thing to do. Okay, that's a stupid thing to do. So draw a bar chart to show the percentage of population of the species a few months after they left the island. Wow, that's a smart thing to do. So your graph will look like this. Okay, and before time, your rabbit will finish eating all the grass and the rabbits will all die. Okay, that's a stupid thing to do. Guys, don't do this. Guys, there's a reason why you don't kacau the environment. Okay, because you take one thing out from the food chain or the food web, you disrupt the whole thing. Okay, so don't be silly. Okay, just let them be. Right, let them be. So anyway, I'll leave it up to you to explain this lah. Is the rest of it is just all ecology stuff. Okay, it's all ecology stuff. Okay, guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna stop here. So next week, I will continue with this, and thankfully, we will jump straight into chapter 3, which is the digestive chapter. Okay. Oh, is it release a bunch of frogs out? Got such thing on me. Okay. So guys, I hope you learned something new today. I hope this is helpful. Okay, I hope this is helpful for your exam. Okay, your exam is coming soon. So please revise this. Right, so guys, I will see you again next week. Okay, thanks for coming. Have a happy Friday. Have a happy weekend. I will see you soon. All right, so take care. See you. Goodbye. Good night. Bye bye.